Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning to all you too.
Morning.
So happy to see all your smiling faces. Hey, Tadas.
Yes.
So I stayed late, sprayed BCO6 on everything, the calipers, all the components, metal and everything. So what I want to do today is put BCO8, another BCO8 layer on the calipers and stuff.
Okay.
And then we'll do some like Dr. Beasley's metal coat on all the metal pieces.
Okay.
And then we'll put the shields back up, drop her down, wheels back on, and then we need to get the paint ready for the paint protection, guys. So we need to take off all the old paint protection film. We need to take off the front and the rear badge. And then we need to do just a light polish. Yeah, and then we'll get the guys over here and see what they want to take off. I know they're taking off
The scoops.
the vents up there and stuff, so
All right.
we'll keep the inside and everything else for later. This 2018 Acura NSX is getting a modified version of our 10K signature detail. We have a full-fledged feature video coming out in a few weeks, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you can get a notification as soon as that video comes out. They're working on this one.
Single step crystal serum light.
Single step, what's a single step?
Oh, enhancement.
Exterior enhancement,
Yeah.
BCO8. Is it crystal serum light or BCO8? They told me BCO8 yesterday.
Well, this is getting single step and BCO Ultra.
It's crystal serum light.
These guys know what they're doing.
Black chrome wheels, man. Stock outfit. This is stock color, yeah.
Oscar, do you have two cars over there that need to come over here by chance? The AMG GT53 has got to get detailed today, and so does the Mazda 6.
They're all done.
Yeah, so bring them over here.
This is BCO8 though. This is enhancement of BCO8.
Okay.
And then there's an AMG GT next door. I think they're finishing up the window tints. And then that's also getting enhancement in BCO8.
Mercedes-AMG GT53, a new four-door coupe for 2019, wandered its way into our shop this week. We first put Lombard Formula 1 tint on all the windows. Now it's time for some minor paint correction and a layer of ceramic coating protection with Modesta BCO8.
Cool car. Paint's not too bad on it. Got a really good when it's done.
How's the Jeep looking?
Very good. We just got to do the Mini, and I think Adrian's got to finish up a couple more of the plastic spots. Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's coated and done?
Yeah.
Jeep Wrangler's all done. Looks beautiful, gorgeous, shiny. A lot of black trim on this. So we did all the trim coating, VCO4 on the paint surfaces. Looks gorgeous. Rest of the shop, crazy day. A lot of car washes in and out. A lot of exterior enhancement coatings. Tadas is working on the NSX. That one will be ready for the paint protection film guys in the morning. A lot of window tints. We're gonna get started on my GTI. They're gonna do some paint protection film on the front end, and then we're gonna take off that old window tint. Probably not gonna get the car done today, probably go until tomorrow. Tyler Fialco's here. He brought his Mazda Miata, putting 5% all the way around on that.
Broken. Still won't tint it like that though.
Jason! No mames! a little bit.
Just do your job, Oscar.
Okay, I guess.
Jeez. Alright, I guess. Holy!
You can pay for it to get a replacement.
Oh, I don't know about that.
If you can find one.
Oh yeah, they're hard to find.
Oh yeah. No, there's not a single one online. Otherwise I would. And if you do, they're expensive, but no, the lights, they go right in the car 'cause it's so low.
Jeez, okay. I'll try not to break it.
Oh no, you'll be fine.
5%?
Yeah. If you want, you can be the front.
5%?
No.
All right, our steamer is now warmed up. We're gonna use this and we're gonna see if we can get this tint off in one layer and not have to mess with all that adhesive.
this getting coated again?
Yeah, I need to coat where they just did the partial, and then just wipe it down, clean up all the spraying marks, and probably give it a mini too.
Ryan's at. Ryan! What? Ryan! What's up? Ryan! Brian! Crying!
Crying, Brian.
Here's trying Ryan. How's it going?
It's going. Just putting it all back together. Should be all.
It's reassembly day.
Reassembly.
I forgot that you had to do all this trim in satin. That's a lot of work.
Yeah, the gloss black.
Or the gloss black, sorry.
But yeah, it's
Yeah, I didn't realize that. So cool, it looks great, man.
Thanks. It took a minute to get all the trim done, but it's that small finicky stuff that really takes the amount of time. Then just needs to get window tints put back together.
Oh, it's getting window tint too?
Yeah, just in the front.
All kinds of film.
Full pack.
They just need to do the headlights, and can't wait to see it all done. Wow. Good customer of ours passed away probably like a month ago. So we have his motorcycle and his Subaru here we're trying to sell for his wife. If you guys need an older Subaru or a motorcycle, they are for sale. Maybe we'll put some links in the bottom where you can find them. Ryan is finishing up the Model X. We just got another Model S dropped off. This is getting a cool, really like the black cherry. It's a KPMF film. Really cool color, excited to see. So he's gonna start the next wrap tomorrow.
Yeah.
Woo. That's awesome. What do they call this? Like a black cherry?
So I think it's literally called red to black.
Red to black. Okay, so it probably color shifts a little bit?
Yeah.
Awesome. Start that one tomorrow then?
Yeah.
Something really true about it. Come down, ever you will be my lover, my lover. My love, you know how long I dreamed about you. Let go.
Everything's all back together. Just got to get some window tints on the front two windows, and it's all done.
Ever you will be my lover.
Coated, done, ready to go. Start on the new one tomorrow, the Model S. Sweet. What else is going on? Everything's done?
This is Glenview for you.
Nice. Everything's done. Mazda's coated, BCO8. Mercedes coated, BCO8. Infiniti Crystal Serum Light. Porsche Cayenne. Recoated the partial hood on that one. NSX is going over to the film guys tomorrow. We didn't quite finish the GTI. We got the front end paint protection film done, and then we have to window tint it in the morning tomorrow. We'll do that. But we got some more cars coming in tomorrow, right? Yeah. Come on back tomorrow. More fun. On the next episode,